How to create amazing forms fast using HTML and Bootstrap. All of the source code and links to resources I use will be available in the description. Next, we want to include a form here. So to start, we want to get rid of all these H4 elements down below. Navigate back to Bootstrap here. Go to where it says form. So we'll go ahead and scroll down to where it says forms here. Then we'll click overview, and this will give you everything you need to know about forms. And we're just going to use a basic one here today. So I'll go ahead and copy this first one here, go back to our website and simply paste it inside of that div. Now you guys can see that our form is displaying. And at this point, we want to go ahead and edit our form. So you guys are going to notice that we have this little check me out thing. I don't know what that has to do with, but we don't want that. So we can simply go ahead and just delete that out like so. Now you guys will see that disappear. And what we want to do is, instead of having email address and password, what we want to have to start is we want to go ahead and copy this and paste it above. And we want to have a name like so. So I'll go ahead and change this to name. Go ahead and capitalize this, and I want to go ahead and get rid of this email message down below here. And instead of this being example input email, we want to go ahead and change this to name like so. Go ahead and make sure I spell that correctly. Now you guys will see it displaying correctly along with all the correct attribute names here. And down here you guys are going to see that it says password, but we don't want to have that. We want to have a text area here. So we'll navigate back to Bootstrap here, go to form control, scroll down here where it gives us an example text area. Go ahead and simply copy this like so. And we can just go back to our HTML, and instead of having our password, we can copy that label and input element here, paste in our text area. Now you guys can see that our example text area is displaying, but we want to change that from example text area, obviously, to message here like so, and make sure we capitalize that again. And you guys can see now that we have a fully functioning form with a name, email address, and message input using 2 input elements from Bootstrap and a text area input here along with our submit button. And right now this is not sending anywhere, but if you guys want to learn how to actually send this information to an email or to a backend server, I'll leave a link up top to where I show you guys how to use PHP for doing just that. And I will also link some more videos down below for you guys if you want to learn how to actually handle form information from an HTML website. Tap here to see what happens next.